Stay tuned, guys. We're taking a ride to a park at the foot of the George Washington Bridge. You're going to see it like few people in the world have ever seen it before. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Internet people. This is Motorcycle Vision. My name's Steve. So today I wanted to try something a little bit different. I wanted to show you something that most people don't get to see. So I found a park in Fort Lee, New Jersey. And it's at the edge of the Palisades. That's the cliffs that overlook the Hudson River. But this park is special because it's also at the foot of the George Washington Bridge. Now you remember a couple of months ago, if you've been watching the channel, I took a ride across the George Washington Bridge into Times Square, things like that. And that was like at the height of COVID. That's not this. What you're about to see is such a unique view. Most people will never get to see this view. You're going to get to see the pylons planted in the Hudson River that hold the bridge up, where they support it. You'll get to see a little red lighthouse on the New York side. I think it's still active, to be honest with you. You get to see close-up view of the towers. I mean, really close-up view. Unfortunately, the camera can't express to you the magnitude. I mean, it's one thing to see it on video. It's another thing to see it when you're standing right there and you get the scope of how big it is. This guy's not even looking at me. He's just driving alongside. There we go. So anyway, you're going to get to see all of this. By the way, before we begin, send me your comments, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. It helps my analytics. And I appreciate it. So, Internet people, let's begin.